What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Pink Chair. I'm your girl Donna, and this is Max, my husband. So today we're going to talk about long distance relationship. I was once in a long distance relationship, me and Max. So today the topic is about that, and we're going to share a few things with you how we navigate this relationship. Yes. Alright, so guys, long distance relationship is not easy, which y'all know that. But we're going to talk about how we actually overcome it, what we do. So, back in other days, I have to say it like that because a long time, me and Max was together. Max migrated and left me at Jamaica. I mean, the relationship was kind of like a rocky when he was leaving. So he left, and we basically was struggling in a them time there. When he left, we were struggling because we were in a relationship and things get sour, you know, a relationship a bit ups and down.
My nose big now.
You know, things have its ups and downs, and so we have our fight, disagreement, and he decides him don't want me no more. So we did have a rocky road, you know, with a struggle. Because him stubborn and him love road, and me and him used to always at it because him gone a road, say him gonna play a domino, and him a road man, and them something that used to annoy me, you know. So
he's an outside man, he's not an inside man.
So it used to annoy me when him, like, you know, when we used to go to work and him would have come pick me up and drop me home. You know, me get accustomed to the nice treatment when he used to give me, and you know, when him gone a road, me used to miss him every time when him say him gone a road, me used to miss him, you know. And him say, I can't stay home with you, you know, because you got your bed 6 o'clock and come used to go to bed so early. But me never used to go to bed 6 o'clock.
I used to.
No.
Do it.
No, I never used to stop there and shoot for me.
You never used to go to bed 6 o'clock.
No, I never used to go to bed 6 o'clock.
You know what is go to bed? Once you bed and you're in your bed, you know, you go to your bed, you know, must start sleep yet, but once you bed, tuck in, you're gone to your bed.
So
use a woman where I'll bed and tuck in from 5, 6 o'clock. Could be if you don't.
So him say him gone on the road because he used to love play domino. Love domino, him still love domino.
No.
But that was his favorite sport, it's on cricket.
Is.
That is his favorite sport, it's on cricket. Even when me used to stay home and me hate cricket so bad because me want him to stay home, we sit down and watch cricket with him. We never used to drink like that. And when him have a drink, me have a drink with him because, you know, me don't want him for go nowhere. Me try to entertain him at home. Because anytime he left the yard, me just feel so sad and I feel so down. Like, me couldn't have enough of him, to be honest to you. So,
all of that.
So all of that.
I'm still gone.
So all of that, him still gone a road. And it used to frustrate me and it used to get me upset. And one day, him pissed me off about him gone look for him that. I thought the story. I saw me head it break up. I saw me head it fall out really. And I start the story and saying God look for that, and I think saying God look for another girl. You know, because regardless of everything you're a woman, you have feelings. So, you know, like a part of me did kind of feel insecure. So I'm saying God look for that it was Father's Day and him go play domino. Then when me I call him, I couldn't get him phone. And me say, guys, I was so mad. Then me and him vexed 2 weeks and him, that was it. We'll get break up because of that. That was why we get break up, you know? You remember?
Mm-hmm.
You remember? Don't come with the foolishness now. Don't come with it. So we break up because of that. that regardless, me I tell the same.
So we come on for the talk about long distance relationship.
But me I tell them
I
say
talk your business.
you know what time we just share a story. We just share a story. So because of that now, you know, me and him did on a break, and then shortly after that he migrate and come a foreign. So, you know, he migrate and he come a foreign, and then after him come up now, we still did a communicate at Jamaica, but it was with a struggle. So when him eventually come up now, me and him used to talk, and you know, we talk, and then we break, we talk, we break, we talk, we break. It was an on and off struggle. It was just a struggle. Long distance relationship was very hard. You know, me that try to build back what we did out before and so forth, but we are straight up your nose side now, gonna get no smaller, leave it alone.
Sorry, fun.
So anyways, guys, so I remember one time, you know, we get so close again, and remember you want to talk your part? Remember one time when him did
I want to talk about somebody's part, somebody's relationship.
You want to talk about your own?
You never know something.
Yeah, long distance relationship between me and you. You want fast up people business?
All the time.
No. So
or just in general.
You don't want to talk it?
Never prepare.
Really? Alright, tell me something about long distance relationship where you don't want to talk about. Me tell you say a long distance relationship or our relationship. Me share a story.
Relationship. What about like what? We all know about it. If it
you did in a long distance relationship.
Me did in a long distance relationship.
You never in a long distance relationship? I don't.
Long distance relationship is nice and sometimes not nice. Good and sometimes it's not good. Good and bad.
What is good about it?
The space, you know, nobody and ning in your ears. Ning in your ears.
But
you're alone. And then the bad about it, sometimes you want the ning in your ears. Sometimes you want it because the ning they come with other things. It come with dinner when you come home. The ning sometimes come with, you know, you come home and you feel a little urge there. Yeah. And the ning dead. So you can just ease your tension, please each other. Yeah. But when you not get that ning there, it good and it bad. You understand?
Yeah, but that's all for your pleasure, just to cook and for.
No, me I talk about, alright, me I say a ning, you know. So me I talk about on a man behalf. The ning. I tell about the good and the bad about it. As me, as a man. So the good part about the ning, because the ning are the woman, you know. And she not, the long distance is she not there. I'm me alone. So the freedom there, the free spirit there, the free mind there. At times, that nice. But sometimes, you want that somebody there. You will work with the ning. So tell you work with the ning. Most of the time, you wish the ning is dead. You know the ning is there. But when the ning not there, it's just like when a man live with a woman and when I propose to when a man don't live with a woman. A man don't live with a woman, not because you see him live with a woman and I go on. Sometimes you wish him to have a woman live with at times.
Everybody need them space at some point. Because sometimes you live with somebody, sometimes you really feel like you want a break. You know, and it's not because you don't love the person, it's because sometimes you get overwhelmed, and as human it do happen. And I don't know if it happen to everybody, but I remember when me just meet you, it's like that. No, so when we just meet you, when we get to know you to that extent there and fall in love with you and them time there, me never need no break. Me never need no break.
Well, most of it,
I mean, you did live together. I mean, never need a break. Throughout that time, I cannot remember one day when I would have take a break from you.
What happened in a day, what happened in a year? Or what happened in a year, what happened in 10
and
years?
I get that. Yeah, it will happen in
so,
it will.
If me live for a year and you're not seated, that not say in a day.
And that is
just time.
So,
Say, alright, say that little when we migrate, if we never migrate, say me I live straight from them time until now. Up to this point, you never have a feeling like you don't want your own space.
You never have the feeling.
Not for say live alone, you know. Just for the moment. If it's even for an hour, half hour, 20 minutes.
You don't think so? If me not think?
Yeah.
Me know when they did live together. Me don't know how it would have feel, because me never did feel it then. So
no, I say from them time until now, you never get that feeling there.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Like right now?
No, not right this minute,
So
but
I just get up and give you space.
but yeah, if you have and it's mostly like if you have a disagreement, like I feel like when I just pack up my bag and just take a break, yo. If you have a disagreement.
Sometimes you're alone up here. I just give you space. I just downstairs all the whole day and let make you alone stay up here.
And that's the thing. That's the thing is not like say me want me space to that unless me I do something like me caught up in something. Me I do something where me know say my mind have to be focused into it, you know? Cause sometimes me just need that break, like, you know, for go deep in a way me I do and get my thing done, but less distraction is better for me.
No, apart from doing something.
Yeah,
sometimes
apart from doing that.
If it's in an hour, 20 half hour,
yeah,
you're falling in that mood away. But if you getting it, you're not gonna miss it.
Yeah, me not really like have that.
You get it from me. Me not itch up on you all while 24 hours, 24/7. When me have the time, me not itch up on you, itch up on you.
It's just your mind tell us that we get tired of you. But to be honest, we never really tired of you, unless we're having an argument. If we're having an argument, and which is we don't.
You know why you're not tired of me? Me not get a chance to tired of me.
I don't think that's the thing.
With me, you get a space.
You give me the space, but at the same time, I don't ask you for no space.
Me want it. Me want the space.
Okay, so take
probably
it.
When me taking it, you get
that's
it.
That's the way you assume.
No, I mean, if you're getting something, you're not gonna know. Say I miss out.
That's
you constantly I get it.
That's the way you assume. All
right.
It's
It's just like 6. If you get about 6, say every day, 5 days a week. Then between 5 days to every day a week.
Yeah, get tired of it.
You're not gonna feel like you're Arnie. Cause your partner constantly have sex, and sometimes I don't really. Arnie is why we constantly do it. We just do it because we can do it. But when really Arnie and the urge come, you're not gonna know because you constantly do it.
But back in the days when we just meet you. You know what? You know what? You want to chat people business, but you don't want to chat people business.
It's a chat in general.
Alright, fine. I left that for another time. But I will come around again. Oh my God. Alright, when you talk about that topic here, I feel like I cannot tell myself. The topic here hot. Yo, I have some topic, guys. Them hot. Them hot. But we are talking about long distance relationship. Remember one time when we never married yet, but you know, Max was my partner and we used to have conversation, long hours of conversation, and him, you know, would tell me say him want some, and me remember tell him say if you want some you have to just go and get it. But let me know, guys, if you know would I do that. You know what I tell no partner say hello. Stop it. You know what I tell no partner say if them want some and them out them they are long distance relationship. You know have a long distance relationship and them say them want some. You know what I actually tell no partner say go get it. Me don't know no woman was so brave. Me tell you so. Me remember telling you so. You ever feel like a woman would tell you that?
Woman tell me that before.
Man tell you that before?
Woman give me condom for going.
Wow.
Give me the condoms and make sure you use it.
The thing is, you know, not every woman would do that, you know. You see, me not live with him them time then. Me never married to him. No, me wouldn't do that. But back then, because you know, you hear it and you know you can't do nothing. Me not even have a visa for travel. First of all, them did all turn me down when I go for go look the visa, then turn me down. So it's like, I have no way of doing it. So, what other choice? All me have to do tell him, said, try not fall in love with nobody. I cannot forget that. Hear me now, myself, my brave, no rasta, you know. A woman can just take him away from me, you know. You tell him to go do it, you know.
No, you're gonna like me as a helpless man. A woman for just take me, sir. I'm not helpless.
No, but you know, you never know. Suppose you meet, you tell it, me give you that permission.
I
Although
suppose
you could have go do it without my permission, still, alright.
the permission that you give me, suppose you're flapping on my head.
No, I'm just saying, like, on a general, like.
Alright, when you give me the permission, I go get whatever. If me go get it, if me like it and it flip on my head, and the person just gone with me.
Yeah.
Nah, couldn't work.
It couldn't work, so no. Why?
Alright. Nah, too. And it's not a self-praise thing, but then again, you have to praise yourself whenever you can. Me not easily get carried away with certain things like that. It's, you know, it's not just with a woman, me not just look for just sex alone. And me can't, if me feel live with somebody, me have to love them. Like, if I live with a woman, for me as a man, when I live with a woman, me let her in my space. That means I trust her. That means I'm not a sleeper. If I not trust her, I can't sleep around you. So, I already trust you, have you a certain way. Now, it couldn't work. So when you know what you have, I know say you have something good, you're not gonna risk it for what you don't know about.
That's smart.
Yeah, you already know what you have. You love what you have. You know? You know everything ins and out, ups and downs already with what you have. So you're not gonna really risk that for what you don't have. Just to one girl get some sweet wine or whatever. It just felt well. Some man
do that, and that's why I'm saying, that me know, me need know the answer here, but me just want to hear you say it. Me know the answer there because me know say you're not that kind of man there where me listen to you over the years and it's like your story just be consistent. Me have some deep conversations and your story just always consistent. Cause me know the kind of quality where you have. You know? Everybody have them ups, everybody have them downs, everybody have different side to them, but me know a certain quality where in you, and that's why, me just want to hear you say it again.
Yeah.
And again.
It's just a transformation still, come I wasn't like this.
Mindset.
Yeah, it's just a transformation. I wasn't like this when we just start out in a woman world.
No, but when you're young, you're not going to be like that.
Yeah,
me never used to be like
but we did
this.
young when we started.
Yeah.
But I'm glad
we did young.
I'm glad to say, certain things, alright. I'm glad to say, because me used to drink a lot. Me used to out there and do all kind of things. Not no bad though. But the good thing when me like about it with me, go through all of them when I'm pretty young.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have some man still are just start to experience certain things at my age.
Mm-hmm.
Still
now.
My age now.
Right.
Them still in it.
Mm-hmm.
If a girl thing, them still out there run up and down and I go like, them can do what them used to do.
They can't do no man, yeah.
Or them can do what they used to do 20 years ago.
Right.
Them a fool themselves, it's a mental thing, Because, then seriously them are the same way or better than 20 years ago. And the older you get at it, you don't have so much energy and you don't have that. But you don't know.
Yeah.
You just a fool yourself.
Yeah, you fool yourself. A lot of big man fool themselves. It's true.
And the girl them too, when them a go with, probably the girl will fool them too.
Yeah.
And them not really know.
And,
them seriously.
And hype them up and them something there.
Yeah. Them seriously.
So many stories.
Yeah, so me just, them things they don't really carry me. When me did just a start out, me don't want done everything they say. But me just get a certain understanding early towards life. And that just stay with me. I just look on the possibilities. I think before me act. I'm glad to say them things that start when me, my 20s, late 20s. Yeah. I start wise up from my late 20s.
You start wise up when you meet me, because I'm in my 20s.
Yeah.
Late 20s, them time there.
Yeah.
When you meet me.
Me was early 30s. Yeah. Yeah, but I started wise up.
Look a bit before you meet me. Yeah. Get you. Remember meeting me was what?
26, 25.
25. I meet you when I 25 years old. Young and fresh. Now I'm a big man. We're grey and old together. We are grey now.
Me still young.
Me young.
Fresh.
Me young and fresh. Yeah,
Still young and fresh.
Mm-hmm.
But you have younger me out there. I just that.
Yeah. Yep. So, so the topic was about long distance relationship, but we kind of dive in a little things. So, we're going to end this topic now, guys. But what I'm asking you to do is just drop it in the comment section and let me know which topic you like what to talk about. Or inbox me on Facebook, Instagram. If you check my my page on YouTube, you will see my Facebook and Instagram and TikTok account. You could follow me on those pages. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. If you're new here on this channel, subscribe. Okay, if you don't already subscribe. Enough love, bless upon yourself, and that's it for long distance relationship. It's not a lot, but me ball a lot. I used to cry. So I'm telling you that part here. I whole heap of night I go in bed a ball, over. Yeah, over. Ball.
You go say, two people are playing.
Ball. I used to ball because I miss him. And sometimes I have more for telling about that story, but I got to do a different. I got to do one where say when we did break up. Yes, because I have so much story in that one there when would I like to share it in my head. And
we did break up.
Yeah, we did take a break.
You?
No, you. Yes, you did. And what happened to me at Emancipation Park? Oh my God, me really want to share that story there. I want to share it so much.
Something coming for your phone there.
We should actually write that in my book. No. When we did break up, but
thank God.
When we did actually take a break. But I got to tell that story there because it's very interesting. So the next time I might do a topic on that one. Bless up on yourself, enough love. Any last word?
No. I don't have no last word.
You always have words.
Yeah, I have words, but no last.
Okay.
The words are not an end.
Okay, for this video, do you have a last word? Just tell them to subscribe.
Tell them?
Yeah.
Alright, subscribe.
Tell them. Like, share, and subscribe.
Wanna like, share, and subscribe. To what?
To the channel. Tell them.
Okay, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell.
So you don't miss a video.
So you don't miss a video.
Yes.
Subscribe. Tell a friend.
And subscribe again. I joke. You only can subscribe one time.
But we Jamaican, we know for bandful of things. We can't subscribe.
No, we can't. We cannot. Oh my God. Bye, guys. Peace.